Okay, hello everyone. It's been a while, but I'm gonna attempt to do ball joints today on my truck. There she is. So I've done ball joints before, but never on this truck. Hopefully it won't be too difficult. Alright, let's check it out. Here we go. Here goes nothing. Methinks I need some WD. Okay, just sprayed it up with some WD because already I'm having issues getting the caliper bracket off, but that's life with rusty vehicles. Alright, I'll get back to it shortly. Okay, we're back. Let the WD soak in a little bit. Let's see if we can bust this off now. Oh my God! Wow! That worked. This one now. Nothing quite like a post pounder. That came out pretty good. The back, I don't like the looks of that, so I can probably sand her down a little bit. Ugh. Oh, Jesus. Okay, I got the knuckle separated. I had to cut the thing off on the bottom because the fricker kept spinning on me. Don't care. Changing the ball joint out. Okay, I know I got a nice hairdo going, but yeah, here's where we're at. Everything is apart. I'm just going to hammer this a couple of times to loosen her up, and then get my ball joint removal tool and press it out, and hopefully the other one goes in, and then put everything back together. Alrighty. Alright guys, here's where I'm at. New ball joint, trying to put it in. You gotta be careful, you gotta line her up as best as you can, as straight as possible, because you don't want it going on an angle, because it's no good. So I'm gonna start it by hand, and then I'll put the impact on it. So let's check it out. There should be. I think it's going in pretty good. Do it gently. Gently. Gently, I say. Full. That's it. Pretty sure it's in there. Let's check it out. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Okay, I got the new ball joint in. I ended up stripping the old nipple, or the new nipple, so I had to put another ball joint in, the second one. But just got to put everything back together. All right, she's in there. There it is, greased it up. Just gotta button everything up, and hopefully no issues with that. Okay, done for today. This is as far as I'm going. Everything's all buttoned up. And all back together. Control arm. New ball joint. You guys can see it because I'm not laying on the ground down there. So, but it's as far as I can go, because I don't like the way that rotor looks. Looks kind of crap. So I'm getting new rotors. So that's it for today.